When you pay a premium price, are you getting a premium product or are you just paying for clever marketing? Today we're going to test sprayable rubber sealant. Which is better? Let's find out. I'll use each of these products per the manufacturer's instructions. I'll apply to some terry cloth and some paper towel. With the terry cloth, I'll determine how many coats it takes to make the terry cloth waterproof. And with the paper towel, I'll check the strength, flexibility, and flammability of each of these products. I'll begin with Dollar General Hardware Flexible Sealer. It says stops leaks fast. It was $5 for 10 ounces. This is Tom, Dick, and Harry's World's Finest Flexible Rubberized Sealer. It also stops leaks fast. It was $5 for 10 ounces. Rustoleum Leak Seal. Flexible rubber coating. Seals leaks and cracks instantly. Watertight, paintable, finished. $8.34 for 12 ounces. I'm going to try Rustoleum's Rubberized Undercoating. It's marketed for corrosion and moisture protection for automobiles. I'll see how it performs alongside these other products. It was the cheapest by far, $3.94 for a 15-ounce can. This is Flex Seal, probably the most heavily marketed of all the products, but it's also the most expensive. $14.95 for a 14-ounce can. It's a liquid rubber sealant in a coating. It stops leaks, seals and protects, and covers easily. I applied a double coat of each product to the terry cloth and let cure for 2 days. I'll see if any at this point can hold water. This is 2 cups or about a half a liter. First up is Flex Seal. Next is Dollar General Flexible Sealer. Tom, Dick, and Harry's World's Finest Flexible Rubberized Sealer. Leak Seal Flexible Rubber Coating. Finally, Rustoleum Rubberized Undercoating. I'll let the terry cloth dry before applying another coat. I set this up to take a measurement on the strength of each of the products. This is the same type of paper towel, but this one is untreated. It's cut into a 3-inch strip, which is about 9 centimeters wide, folded in half. The bucket is empty. I'll fill the bucket full of water until the paper towel breaks, and then I will take a measurement on the digital scale. This setup weighs 1 pound 7 ounces, or about 650 grams empty. Flex Seal performed very well in the original test. So well, in fact, I had to reset with a larger bucket. The other bucket was not large enough to hold enough water to weigh it down to break the paper towel that's been infused with Flex Seal. This setup here weighs 3 pounds 1 ounces, which is about 1.4 kilograms. Now it's time to figure out which is the most flammable. So which of these products do you think performed the best? Flex Seal did very well on the tensile strength test, so depending on your application, this may be the best product for you. Tom, Dick, and Harry's and Dollar General Flexible Sealer did very well on the flammability test. I could barely get it to ignite at all, and when I did, it extinguished almost immediately. Tom, Dick, and Harry's was the first product that was able to stop the leak through the terry cloth. The rubberized undercoating was not designed for this type of application, but I wanted to test it anyway. As you can see with this flashlight, it is still very porous. Unlike the other products, such as Flex Seal, which has now completely sealed the terry cloth. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what products you would like me to test. I have more videos coming in the near future. So what do you want me to compare to see which is better? Leave your comment below. Thanks for watching, subscribing, and commenting. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I release new videos.